To all those in Novas and to all those in on. Assalamu alaikum, namaste, sat sri akal. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to the Bro Vlogs. 3, 2, 1, start. To all those in Novas and to all those in on. Assalamu alaikum, namaste, sat sri akal. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to the Bro Vlogs. Let's go. So we have come back to the Vroom Dragni 13th edition at Thaneja Aerospace Aviation Limited.
Before we get to the races, मतलब races background में चल रहे हैं. This is how Vroom enters us. There's a crazy Honda City which has been parked. जितना मुझे पता है उस हिसाब से इस Honda City पे there are mods close to 20 lakhs and that's how they have built it. On the right hand side इधर सारे BMWs लाइन अप हो गए हैं, be it M3, M2, M4 सारे के सारे. ये ब्लू वाली तो एकदम सही लगी मुझे और ये सारे के सारे रेस ट्रैक पे जाने वाले हैं. लुक एट दिस Accord. आई मीन इट्स क्रेजीली एंड हेवीली मॉडर्ड. और ये बगल में AMG. आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस इज़ लाइक लास्ट टाइम बट कल्चर अलग है. People have again spent lakhs and lakhs of rupees, given years of time to come to this stage and showcase their talent. Okay, this is the bit of Z Customs. ये लोग last time भी आए थे and इनकी जो Innova है इसका जो turbo का sound है that's crazy. I'll show it to you. Listen. You heard that Innova. मतलब कोई बोल भी नहीं सकता Innova would sound like that. And they have one of the cleanest and craziest mods.
पिछली बार की तरह इस बार भी there are a lot of races happening. 11th edition, 12th edition, 13th edition. 11th was way too good because उसमें सब था. Drag races थे, wheelies थे, pops and banks थे, drifts थे, सब था. And even 12th was a successful event, but due to weather condition, we just had drag races in it. तो हमको सिर्फ drag races दिखाना सही नहीं लगा. And the current one which is going on is a 13th edition. ये भी बहुत अच्छा है. It is going in a very smooth, systematic and organized way.
Okay, so now we have come to watch some bike races. I see Hayabusa racing with a two-stroke, I guess. But look how two-stroke took half of the track. And Hayabusa ने उसके बाद टेक ओवर किया. So इस टाइम भी लास्ट टाइम की तरह there are two strokes racing with four strokes. And ऐसा नहीं है कि two strokes हार रहे हैं. And maybe losing with a small margin or winning with a small margin. But जब बाइक स्टार्ट से उधर से आ रही है the ground is vibrating here. These bikes have and the grunt it has. The adrenaline is bonkers. Let's watch some races. अभी जितने भी रेसेस हुए ये सारे लोग वापस जाएंगे और उस टाइम सबका एग्जॉस्ट नोट सुनाई देगा. जस्ट हियर देम. थोड़े कार्स के टर्बोस भी सुनाई देंगे और बाइक्स के एग्जॉस्ट भी.
जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ रेसेस हैपनिंग. इस टाइम का कल्चर अलग है. द 13th एडिशन. यू सी देयर आर सुपर कार्स बिहाइंड मी, देयर आर सुपर बाइक्स, देयर आर पेंसिल बाइक्स. सबके ड्रैग रेसेस चल रहे हैं. बर्नआउट्स, व्हीलीज, सब कुछ बहुत सिस्टमैटिक हो रहा है. सब कुछ बहुत सिस्टमैटिक हो रहा है. देयर इज अ फेरारी व्हिच हैज कम, देयर इज एन एस्टन मार्टिन. सब दिखाएंगे. बट करंटली लेट्स वॉच द रेसेस. लेट्स गो.
Before we get to the races, there are a bunch of cars here. That was a Porsche GT4 RS. Before that was Porsche Cayman S. That's 1.5 crores. GT4 RS is around 3.4 crores. This is Jaguar XKR. This is another 1.5 crores. Another Porsche, ये एक 2 करोड़ की है. और ये रही Ferrari 296 GT, 6.31 crores in Bangalore. We have little BMWs here और एक Mercedes भी है. But take my eyes off it. It's amazing. Okay, here we have a Mercedes-Benz CLE Cabriolet. This is another 1.5 crore. और ये है Aston Martin DB11. ये भी is somewhere around 3.7 to 4.8 crores.
तो अब तक आपने जितने भी रेसेस देखे, जिस हैपेंड लास्ट टाइम also, but the main race we came for is Imran Majid, his Nissan GTR, and SRP Drive, his Audi R8. So these are the two fastest cars. Fastest Audi in India and Nissan GTR is the fastest GTR in India. इन दोनों का रेस होने वाला है. 12th edition में हुआ नहीं because Nissan GTR का जो इंजन था वो बस्ट हो गया था. Thankfully it's ready now and perfect. दोनों का रेस होने वाला है. We'll take a shot of that race and we'll see who wins. I personally want Nissan GTR to win because I like that car. But Audi R8 में there's a V10 Lamborghini का engine. Let's see who wins. That's the main race. Let's watch.
Okay, I'm gonna pause the video here and मैं जब भी प्ले करूँगा, जब कार लॉन्च होगी तब आप देखना उसका टेक ऑफ कैसे होता है. You saw the take off. I was waiting for the car to go. That's how much power they have. और जो ऑडी की मैंने बात की थी उसका लास्ट टाइम का रिकॉर्ड था 8.8 सेकेंड्स. दिस इज़ दैट ऑडी. और Nissan GTR का और ऑडी का सेपरेट रेस होने वाला है. दे वोंट बी राइट नेक्स्ट टू ईच अदर लाइक दीज Porsches वेयर. तो उन दोनों के सेपरेट क्लिप्स होंगे. दिस इज़ द Ferrari 296 GTB. क्रेजी. पर इसका कंपटीशन ऑडी और GTR से मत करना. Okay, now is the run of Audi R8. I'm just gonna be quiet. There it goes. और यही कार थी जो लास्ट टाइम 8.8 सेकेंड किया था in the Vroom 12th edition. Now we have the Nissan GTR. I'm again gonna be quiet. There he goes. I guess Audi was faster. Well, guys, Audi broke its own record again. I know Ferrari is going right now, but Audi broke its own record. It was 8.8 seconds before. Now it is 8.6 seconds. Okay, right in front of me is Sanam. But talking about the Audi, it did 8.6 seconds. It's a difference of 0.2 seconds from its last record, but a win is a win. Anyways, Sanam is the drifter. He is the drift king currently in the Vroom Drag Meet 13th edition. Let's watch him drift.
finally we have come to an end of the Vroom 13th edition. We hope you like the vlog. Currently there is this after party type going on, prize distribution is going on, so we are scooting back home. We tried meeting Zubair Ali Jung, Sara Khan missed this time as well. Imran Majid too, but Imran Majid he did well. Apparently उनका रेस सही से हुआ नहीं because उनका कुछ तो कार में suspensions upgrade कराने थे, and they are planning to come closer to around 8 seconds. It's a 9-second car currently, but they are planning to somewhere come around 8.1 to 8.2 seconds. That's what we overheard. But we really hope you like the vlog. This time it was different. बहुत कुछ अलग था.
This was the 13th edition of Vroom. He might have an international vlog anytime soon. इसका वो अंडमान का vlog कब आता नहीं मालूम. बहुत वेट कर लिया हमें. अभी तक आज को भी एडिट कर ले कुछ नहीं होने. वो आता नहीं जाता नहीं. इससे अच्छा दूसरा vlog को वेट कर लियो. वो बहुत जल्दी आ जाता है क्योंकि वो इंटरनेशनल
बोलने नहीं होता.
वो भी है. उसमें भी डिले करते रहते तो मालूम नहीं होता इसका. But anyways, we are trying to be consistent.
Yes, and guys, it actually takes a lot of time to edit, and we do it on phones. We don't have high-end PCs or gaming laptops or anything. So whatever happens on phone. Deciding music, cutting, editing, color grading takes a lot of time. And A8 vlog is very detailed, Andaman wala. So I'm trying to cut it short as much as possible so that it doesn't look boring as well as informative, and I show everything. So I guess each vlog will go around 15 to 20 minutes minimum.
He might have 4 sequels of Andaman.
Yeah, 3 to 4 parts of Andaman. Dekhte hain. I really hope you like that because that's a complete different series. But for now, end it.
And do follow us on Instagram. We have the it is mentioned below, and then you have to subscribe, like, comment, share our YouTube channel. That motivates us.
Correct.
That's it for today. Let's end this vlog.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Free Palestine.
Free Palestine.